Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Media Encoder. First, launch the application. You'll see a clean interface designed for efficient media processing. This software is your go-to for converting video and audio files into a multitude of formats, ensuring your content looks great everywhere. It integrates seamlessly with other Adobe tools, making your post-production workflow incredibly smooth and saving you valuable time. Once Media Encoder is open, adding your media is simple. You can easily drag and drop your video or audio files directly into the queue panel. If you prefer, click the Add Source button to navigate your folders and select your desired content. This panel is where you'll organize all your files, allowing you to process multiple projects efficiently. You can queue up dozens of files, ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted workflow for all your encoding needs. With your files in the queue, it's time to define your export settings. Select a file to reveal its encoding options. You'll find a vast library of built-in presets, perfect for platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or various social media channels. For more control, dive into custom settings to adjust the format, codec, resolution, and bitrate. For example, you might choose H.264 at a target bitrate of 10 megabits per second for web delivery. Remember to save your preferred custom settings as new presets. Finally, you're ready to export your media. Before starting, click on the output file name for each item in the queue to specify its save location. Double-check all your settings to ensure everything is exactly as you want it. Once satisfied, simply click the prominent green Start Queue button. Adobe Media Encoder will then begin processing your files one by one, providing real-time progress updates. This batch processing capability is incredibly powerful, allowing you to encode many hours of footage unattended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.